everyone, today we have got a 58 Impala Custom. This castings by Racing Champions. I don't think, I'm not sure if they make the castings anymore, but I got it from a flea market, I would say. Yeah, there's a guy who sells older castings sometimes. I found it from there. I think it's from maybe 90s, I'm not sure, I might have to confirm. But yeah, it's from the Hot Rod magazine, it says. And it's limited edition, one of 9,999. Says it's adult collectible, so it's not a toy, it's actually collectible. It's shoe 144, number 144. Let's open it up. It looks like a nice casting, so let's open it up and see what is it offer. So here's the 58 Impala out of the box. It actually has another packaging inside the blister pack, so that's really good. Let's open it up. It says Racing Champions hot rod on top of it. That's something different. I think the packaging is really good. I don't know how they were priced or marketed back then, but I think it's from 1999. The package is it. You also see the plastic has lost a lot of its color, become yellow. Opening hood. Okay, so it's out of the box. Now let's see. This is the first time I'm opening it, so I don't know what are the details, and I don't think I have any other custom from Racing Champions. Now, first thing, the paint. Obviously, it's custom. That's like you see a lot of older cars when they're done custom, you'll have these kind of paint. Turquoise, silver, and some neon green. Also on the side, you can see the wheels also look custom, and the car is lowered, so it kind of looks like a lowrider. Interior, you can see from the top as it's just a roof, so it's finished in black. This looks good. Even on the side, I can see there are no mirrors. I don't know why. Now let's move to the front. So some good details in the front. You can see chrome bumper with these are fog lamps. You got the headlamps in chrome. Hood opens up. You can see the engine inside, which is again finished in chrome. I don't know if the actual car had chrome finish, but they did a custom one. They wanted to do a chrome finish. That's what they did. On the passenger side, looks almost identical to the driver's side. I do like the finish on the windshield here. You can see that it's glass or plastic, but they tried to match the paint of the body, which is good. On the rear, again, that classic Impala with the tail lamp looks really good. Chrome bumper, a place for number plate. Trunk doesn't open up. I don't see any badges on it. I think that's because it's a custom, so sometimes they remove all the badges. Door handle kind of have a slim finish. You still have the fins here, which is very reminiscent of Impalas. They had big fins. Base, I think it's plastic with some details on it, and says the Racing Champions. It's made in China, says, and it has the number 154. Tires are rubber. They look good with some tread on them. So overall, well, this is, I think, my first, might be the only Racing Champion, and it's look good, doesn't look bad, has some good details, a good stance. I like it. Yeah, I don't think it has some Maestro. I think I have a Maestro with like custom finish like this, but not Hot Wheels, at least nothing I can remember. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know if you can find one, but this looks like a nice casting, and I think even if you get one, you're gonna like it. I don't know how they're priced anywhere else, but I got it on a decent price, and yeah, I'm glad I could say that. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.